Hi, good morning everybody. This is Anna from HotOptionBabe.com. On the screen I have a chart of the TLT. It's the ETF for the 20-year treasury bond. Now we traded this a lot last week and it turned out to be a very good trade because as the markets go up, normally the bonds go down. They go up in yield, they go down in price. So what we did is we got in about right here on Wednesday, and we kept adding that, and it really kept us going, and we made a huge gain on those for the week. Now I'm a little early on Friday being short, but I truly now that short on the SPX or the general market, and the reason being is this coinciding with the 78.6 retrace nearly, as did the SPX or the ES, whichever one, same thing. Let me delete that. I don't know why I got that in there. Now, all the indicators say that we are so overbought and that the TLT is a bit overdone here. Now, we might get a little, like I said, a gap up tomorrow, but I'm thinking that we're setting up for a real big move down in the general markets, and that the TLT will now bounce. Now we still have some of those in the lounge, and we will cover those on tomorrow, especially if we get a gap up situation in the morning. We will cover our TLTs, and we're going to start adding shorts, of which I already have quite a few, feeling that we're nearing an imminent move down in the markets. The indicators are showing me on a larger time frame on the, SPX. You know, sometimes these charts get on my nerves. Let me go to the, there's that SPX. Let's look at the daily here. Now we are in pretty much overbought territory. It can stay up here, bounce a little bit, but we're getting close to a nice plunge here. I hate that I have yellow in there, so I hope you can see it. The ADX is still showing a buy signal. The McClellan oscillator is still showing a buy signal, but I expect that to turn down this week and start heading down. We made a huge move in a short amount of time. I also believe on the TLT I saw a falling wedge, which means that it's preparing on the hourly to break back up and go up. But look at the chart on that hourly. It's incredible. Oh, that's a nice chart. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it looks to me like this is a falling wedge here, but we do still have some bear flags on the TLT. So like I said, we might even see that 101.62 area. We might pop on down there. I would totally cover there. We have a gap fill at 102.50. And like I mentioned, I think the volume is going to be rushing back in this week, and I think that a lot of I think we got a period of some big downside before we end of year see the usual upside. Typically September, October are very bearish months anyway. So, and then come November, all the fund managers start chasing performance. So we'll keep an eye on all this, and we'll keep you updated. If you haven't tried the lounge, you ought to try it. We have a blast and make a lot of money. So we'll talk to you soon. And I really hope you had a great holiday weekend.